In this section, we will discuss consistency and inconsistency of system of linear equation. Consider the following system of linear equation in three variables: a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to d3. We can write the system in the form of ax equal to b, where a is the matrix of coefficient of xyz variable and x and b also column matrix. Matrix A is called coefficient matrix. We can say that solution of a matrix a set of variable of x, y and z which simultaneously satisfy all the equations of the system is called a solution of equation. Consistent system. A system of equation is said to be consistent if it has one or more solution. A consistent system can either have a unique solution or infinitely many solutions. A system of equation is said to be consistent and independent if it has unique solution. A system of equation is said to be consistent and dependent if it has infinite many solutions. Inconsistent system. A system of equation is said to be inconsistent if it has no solution. Non-homogeneous system. A system of equation ax equal to b is said to be a non-homogeneous if b not equal to O, where O is a matrix of zero element. Homogeneous system. A system of equation ax equal to b is said to be homogeneous if b equal to O. With the help of given diagram, we can understand non-homogeneous system of two linear equation in two variable. First of all, given system can be written in the form of ax equal to b. Evaluate determinant of a. If determinant of a not equal to 0, we can say there is unique solution. If determinant of a equal to 0, evaluate adjoint of a into b. If adjoint of a into b not equal to O, we can say there is no solution. If adjoint of a into b equal to O, we can say there is infinitely many solutions. For example, examine the system of equation for consistency or inconsistency. The given system of equation is 5x plus 2y equal to 4, 7x plus 3y equal to 5, which can be written in the matrix form ax equal to b, where a is a square matrix, x is a column matrix and b is a matrix of element 4 and 5, that is column matrix. Find determinant of a. We have determinant of a equal to 1, that is not equal to 0. So the given system of equation is consistent and independent, that is it has unique solution. Next example we have examine the system of equation for consistency or inconsistency. Given system of equation is x plus 3y equal to 5, 2x plus 6y equal to 8, which can be written in matrix form ax equal to b, where a is a square matrix of order 2 and x and b are column matrix. We have determinant of a equal to 0. We have to calculate adjoint of a into b. Adjoint of a into b not equal to O. Hence the given system of equation is inconsistent, that is, it has no solution. Using matrix method, solve the following system of equations. We have three equations. The given system of equation can be written in matrix form Ax equal to B, where A is a square matrix and X and B are column matrix. Determinant of A not equal to 0. We can say given system of equation is consistent and dependent. It has unique solution. We can write X equal to A inverse B. First find value of A inverse. We can find minor cofactor of given matrix A to find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A, we have determinant of A equal to 11. We can arrange X equal to A inverse B form, where A inverse equal to 1 upon 11 and B equal to adjoint of A. We can multiply by A inverse equal to, we have this form is A inverse and B equal to column matrix. After multiplication row by column and after simplification we have a column matrix in the form of 4 minus 3 1, and X equal to also a column matrix of variable x y z. Now we can compare X equal to 4 and Y equal to minus 3 and Z equal to 1, which are required solution of given linear equation. We will discuss application of determinant in coordinate geometry. Let A, B, C be the points in xy plane. Consider area of triangle equal to 1 by 2. Determinant of the vertices in the form x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. 1 by 2. We can expand the determinant here. Then area of triangle with vertices ABC equal to determinant of given values into square unit. Points ABC are said to be collinear if determinant of given value equal to 0. It is called condition of collinearity of 3 points. Second condition we have, let A and B be any 2 points in xy plane. Let P be any point on the line joining A and B. Then the points P, A and B are collinear. Then determinant of given value equal to 0. We can write here determinant of elements x, y, 1, x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1 equal to 0. Thus, equation of line passing through the points A and B is given by in the form of determinant equal to 0. For example, using determinant, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are given. First of all, arrange the given vertices in the determinant form. Determinant equal to 1 by 2, 0 0 1, 4 3 1, 8 0 1. Then we can expand the determinant. Area of triangle equal to determinant of the given value equal to 12 square unit. Second example we have, using determinant show that the points are collinear. We can find the determinant in the form of del equal to 1 by 2 determinant of given points. We can substitute here the determinant of the given value equal to 0, hence given points are collinear. We can say the area of the vertices not possible, so we can say the points are collinear. Next example we have, using determinant find A so that the points are collinear. We can find the determinant using the formula del equal to 1 upon 2 into determinant. Given that the points are collinear, then del equal to 0 we can write according to the condition. The value of del equal to -4 plus a, then value of a equal to 4.